Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to reduce image size or image resolution in Windows Paint. Okay, Windows Paint, every Windows software gives Windows Paint software. It is free. You do not need any kind of internet connections or any additional software for change your image resolutions. Okay, here you can see my images here. It is my thumbnail and check the properties. You can see this image size is 3 MB, 3.07 MB, and go to the details. You can see dimensions is 9020 into 10080p. That means it's a full HD image. But YouTube normally support thumbnails with 2 MB size. More than 2 MB, YouTube reject that thumbnail. So I'm going to change the image dimensions to HD version. Then the image size automatically change to downgrade. Okay, below 2 MB. You can simply just create a copy of this image by pressing and hold Control key on your keyboard and just drag like this. Then Windows create a copy of this file and just right click on that file, then select open with, then select paint. Now our image is open in Paint software. Okay, then you can see there is an option for resize. Just click on that button, then go to pixels. Then you can see here is our pixel 9020 10080p. If you just type here 1280, this is the version, this is the dimension of HD images 1080 and 720p. And remember one thing, if you untick this maintain aspect ratio, this is not automatically fill the second column. I'll show you. Just cancel this too. Then I'm typing here 1280. There is no automatic fill of this vertical size. So if you are in using a correct resolution size like 9020 into 10080p or 1280 or 720p, you can use this maintain aspect ratio. Okay, just okay, click OK. Now our image resolution is changed. You can see here bottom of the page 1280 into 720 pixel, and the size is 3.1 MB. That size means it is the original size of that image. Just click on save button. Okay, now our image size is reduced to 1.7 MB. Okay, come here, check this resolution dimensions. You can see it is a HD image 1280p, and the first version is 9020, that means full HD image. Here is the size 3 MB. So in this way you can easily reduce image resolution, and also you can change image size by reducing your image resolution. Okay guys, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.